Hello, little explorer. Have you ever wondered what it's like to be a zebra, living out on the wide, wild grasslands of Africa? Zebras spend their lives on the savanna. That's a big, open landscape with tall, golden grass, warm winds, and plenty of other animals. But it's also a place where you always have to be on the lookout, because lions love to hunt here too. Now, take a look at a zebra. What do you see first? That's right, those amazing black and white stripes. But these stripes aren't just for show. When zebras move together in a big herd, their stripes can actually confuse predators. Imagine a lion trying to pick out just one zebra, but seeing a swirling sea of stripes instead. And did you know? Zebras can run up to 65 kilometers an hour. That's really fast. Speed helps them escape danger too. Sometimes zebra herds even team up with other animals, like wildebeest, for extra safety. More eyes, more ears, and a better chance of spotting a lion before it's too late. Out here, teamwork really matters. Now, stripes also help with another tricky problem: biting flies. Flies in the savannah can carry diseases, but for some reason, they don't like landing on stripes. Scientists think the stripes confuse the fly's vision. Clever, right? And here's something you might not know. Baby zebras are born brown and white. Their stripes darken to black as they grow up. Every zebra's pattern is a little different, like a fingerprint. But not everything is safe for zebras these days. Sadly, some zebra species are now endangered, mostly because of habitat loss and hunting. That's why it's so important to learn about them and protect their wild homes. Now it's your turn. Grab your crayons and your printable and design your very own wild animal with a pattern that helps it survive. And as you draw, remember, one little spark of curiosity can lead to big discoveries. See you next time, explorer.